Hello students, welcome to Friday session. After Uttarayan, you will be fresh in a mood. Let us continue to our class 5th EVS. In Friday session, before I starting the session, I want to discuss certain points with you. Please prepare fair notebook. I have noticed then when I am giving couple of lessons notebook two lessons together, some students are not writing. So it is my request to write down very well. In our last session, we had talked that about our patriots Chandrasekhar Azad, Shyamji Krishna Verma, Ram Prasad Bismil, Bhagat Singh. They all are our patriots. They sacrificed their life for us. They created great harmony for our freedom movement. We should never forget them. Then they have a heroic dedication in our Indian history. Before that, some points were also discussion that some treatment should be given if your following situations happens. Suddenly suffer from nausea, epidemic strikes in your village, and theft at neighbor's home. That also we have discussed in our last session. Furthermore, some award distribution system created by President Medal System to the national level, Bravery Award in 1957, Sanjay Chopra Award in 1978 it was established, Geeta Chopra since 1978, Bharat Award since 1987, Bapu Gayadhani Award since 1988. Now, children are getting medal from President of India on 26th January as a President Medal for Bravery. Now, let us look on map. Let us make a map. Dear friends, in introduction session, you know that map is a symbolical identity. That means if we have a map, we can go to easily, we can find the place very easily. Our mobile have a Google Map system which is working on the basis of GPS, Global Positioning System. When we are traveling in an unknown place, we rapidly using Google Map. Now, the same thing we have to do, but in this lesson, our first point is a very basically and starting way. Make a list of the things in the classroom and write their quantity and give a symbol to each of them. Table, if we write T for it, chair if we write C for it, then if we have a 3 table then we can write 3T. If we have a 5 chair then we can write 5C. Or for table if we draw triangular, and for chair if we make square box, that also we can make it. Similarly, benches also can be given number. Then cupboard also we can give number. Then many other systems are there in the school that can be identified by the numbers. So, dear students, you can prepare symbol at your home by own also. That is my homework question. Next point onwards, we shall go furthermore for this point discussion. Then we will continue our lesson. Let us make a map. Till then, I remain